Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download a copy of file in Google Slides. So if you want to download the copy of your design or copy of your presentation in Google Slide, here's the first thing, here's a quick method on how to do that. So when you're done with your presentation in Google Slide and you want to have a copy of the file saved to your PC, here's a quick step or a quick method on how to fix that. So head over and tap on file. So from there you scroll down a little, then you see down, then right in front of down you see a drop down, just click on it, and it will bring out this set of options. You have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have about 9 options on how to download or where to download or what to download the file into. So the first thing is download your file as a PowerPoint, and once you do that, then your file will be in PPTs. If you don't want your file to be downloaded PowerPoint format, you can also go for the ODP document, which is ODP. And if you don't want that also, you can download the file in form of PDF, which is PDF document. You can also use the plain text, which is just ordinary text. You can also use the JPEG format image. You can use that as as your slide. You can also use PNG as downloading format. You can also use this as well, but since it is presentation and it depends on what you want your files to be, so it depends on you and the kind of file that you want to download. So just go through any of these options. Once you do that, just tap on any of the option, then follow the procedure, then download your presentation right to your storage on your PC, and that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.